In this video, I'll guide you through how to refer a friend on Capital One. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to share the benefits with your friends and potentially earn a referral bonus. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Capital One account. If you haven't set up online access yet, make sure you do so, as it's necessary to participate in the referral program. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Refer a Friend section. This is usually found in the promotional area of your account dashboard. Keep an eye out for any banners or links that might direct you there. Now that you've found the Refer a Friend section, the next step is to generate your unique referral link. This link is crucial because it tracks referrals back to you. Without it, you won't be credited for any successful referrals. The platform will typically have an easy-to-find button to generate this link, so just click on that. Once your link is generated, the next step is to share it with your friend or family member. You can do this in several ways, whether you prefer sending a quick text message, composing an email, or even sharing it through social media platforms. Make sure your friend knows what it is and why it's beneficial. A good tip here is to personalize the message a bit. Let them know about the benefits they can get from applying, like any introductory offers or rewards that Capital One is currently promoting. After sharing the link, your friend needs to use it to apply for an eligible Capital One credit card. It's important they apply through your link for the referral to be tracked correctly. Once they complete their application and get approved, both of you are on the way to reaping the benefits. Finally, after your friend is approved and meets the program requirements, you may receive your referral bonus. Remember, the specific terms for these bonuses can vary, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with any conditions or limits that might apply, such as the number of referrals allowed in a year. And that's it. That's how to refer a friend on Capital One. It's a simple process that can be quite rewarding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.